Hello students, welcome to Gyanasthali classes. This is Khushbu Soni and I am going to start the new chapter today, that is polynomials of class 10. So one more thing is there, that if you want to ask any doubt or if you want the complete study material of this chapter, you can mail us on gyanasthali2020@gmail.com. One more thing, if you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, because this chapter I will be going to explain in certain parts, and the parts will be divided according to the topic, and that topic will be collectively related to your NCERT book. So students, make sure that you are watching each and every video of this chapter, because if you are skipping any one of the video, the concept will not be clear for all of you. तो आपको क्या करना है, सब्सक्राइब करना नहीं भूलना है, क्योंकि जब भी नेक्स्ट वीडियो अपलोड होगी यू विल गेट द नोटिफिकेशन ऑफ दैट. एंड वन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, दैट इफ यू लाइक द वीडियो then share with your friends as well. So students, I am going to start the brief introduction about the chapter, then we will proceed for the topics of this chapter. So first of all, I am going to explain the name of this chapter, which is polynomials. So here you can see that poly and nomials, these are two different words which combines and forms polynomials. So the meaning of poly means many and nomials means terms. So what is polynomials? Polynomials are the mathematical algebraic expressions which are having many terms, and according to number of terms we have divided the polynomials into separate parts. And first of all I am going to explain that parts, and then we will proceed for the next topic. And सबसे पहला टॉपिक आपका आएगा यहाँ पे लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल. सो व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल? तो लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल आर द पॉलिनोमियल व्हिच आर हैविंग 1s3 डिग्री. डिग्री मींस हाईएस्ट पावर, यू ऑल नो वेरी वेल. और अगर हम इसके स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म की बात करें तो स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म होता है ax + b = 0. यहाँ पर a की वैल्यू 0 कभी नहीं हो सकती, क्योंकि अगर यहाँ पे a 0 होता है तो ax वाली टर्म कंप्लीटली वैनिश हो जाएगी, एंड दिस विल बिकम b = 0, दैट इज कांस्टेंट पॉलिनोमियल. सो along with the standard form we will also write that a is not equal to 0. Now the next type of polynomial is quadratic polynomial. Simple definition of this polynomial is a polynomial whose degree is 2 is called as quadratic polynomial. And if I talk about the standard form of this polynomial, this will be as written over here, that is ax² + bx + c = 0. And the same condition which was applied for the previous one, here it will be applied, क्योंकि यहाँ पे ax² x² इज द हाईएस्ट पावर, तो ये कंपल्सरी है कि ये वाली टर्म 0 नहीं होनी चाहिए, और 0 नहीं होनी चाहिए उसके लिए a की वैल्यू 0 नहीं होनी चाहिए. तो यहाँ पे हम वापस वही लिखेंगे, दैट इज a is not equal to 0. Then we will proceed for the third type of polynomial, that is cubic polynomial. अब cubic polynomial की स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म क्या होती है? क्योंकि स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म के अकॉर्डिंगली हम उसके वैल्यूज और वेरिएबल्स को डिसाइड करने वाले हैं कि क्या वो एक इक्वेशन क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल है या नहीं. तो यहाँ पे स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल विल बिकम ax³ + bx² + cx + d = 0. And but obvious case is there that x³ should not be equals to 0. For that a should not be equal to 0. So this is the essential condition. Now the next type of polynomial is biquadratic polynomial. And biquadratic polynomial is the polynomial in which the degree of the polynomial is 4. So if you are talking about the standard form of this kind of polynomial, what you will write? You can compare these three. What I have done here, I have increased the power of x only. So here we know that the power or the degree of biquadratic will be 4. So standard form will become ax4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e is equal to 0 और यहाँ पे भी सेम कंडीशन अप्लाई होने वाली है जो कि a is not equal to 0 है. एंड द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज कांस्टेंट पॉलिनोमियल. कांस्टेंट पॉलिनोमियल तो इसके नेम से ही डिफाइन हो रहा है, दैट इज अ पॉलिनोमियल whose value is constant or fixed. That means let's take an example. If I have written over here that is p of x is equal to 3. Here what is the meaning? P of x is equal to 3. Here variable is not written, but in the left hand side it is written that it is the polynomial of variable x. So to represent it in a perfect manner, we will write 3x raised to the power 0. X raised to the power 0 will give the value as 1. So the complete term 3x raised to the power 0 will become 3 only. So whenever students you are having a polynomial which is not having any variable, only value is there, that deals with the constant polynomial. Take a look of all these things because these are the very basic thing you should understand about each and every type of the polynomial, the name and the definition, and the next thing is their standard form. Now we are going to discuss about their graphical representation. So students, now we are going to discuss about graphical representation of polynomials. What does it mean? Because the meaning is very important. अभी हमने देखा बहुत सारे टाइप्स के पॉलिनोमियल्स. तो जब भी हम किसी पॉलिनोमियल का ग्राफ प्लॉट करेंगे तो हमें उस ग्राफ का एक स्पेसिफिक फॉर्म मिलेगा जो कि उस पर्टिकुलर टाइप ऑफ वेरिएबल को या टाइप ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल को सेटिस्फाई करेगा. तो हम ग्राफ को देखते ही पता लगा सकते हैं कि ये किस पॉलिनोमियल का ग्राफ है. तो उसके लिए आपको जैसे स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म पता होनी चाहिए वैसे उसका ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन भी पता होना चाहिए. तो स्टूडेंट्स, हम लोग जो सबसे ज्यादा यूजफुल है या सबसे ज्यादा आपके काम आने वाले पॉलिनोमियल्स है 10th स्टैंडर्ड के लिए, उन्हीं के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे बिकॉज देयर आर वेरियस काइंड्स ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल एंड दैट विल बी यूज्ड इन द हायर क्लासेस. सो द वेरी बिगिनिंग थिंग इज लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल. सो स्टूडेंट्स, इसके साथ साथ एक चीज मैं और आपको बताती जाऊंगी जिसके बारे में आपको ध्यान रखना बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है. स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म आपको ऑलरेडी बता चुकी हूँ और लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल की स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म होती है ax plus b is equal to 0 और इसके नंबर ऑफ जीरोस कितने होंगे? 1. डिग्री इज 1, तो मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ जीरोस विल बी 1. नाउ इफ यू प्लॉट द ग्राफ ऑफ दिस पॉलिनोमियल then it will give you a straight line, and this straight line is the graphical representation of the polynomial, and this representation can properly be written as y is equal to ax plus b. Ax plus b is representing a line which is denoted by letter y. Now we will discuss about the graph of quadratic polynomial. So students, first thing which is very essential is standard form. So standard form I am going to write here. It is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. अब यहाँ पे x स्क्वायर है, हाईएस्ट डिग्री या हाईएस्ट पावर जो इस इक्वेशन की है वो है 2. तो इस इक्वेशन के मैक्सिमम जीरो जो होंगे वो 2 होंगे. तो जब अगर मैं इस इक्वेशन को ग्राफ पे या कार्टेशियन प्लेन पे प्लॉट करती हूँ then you will see two kinds of graph. First one is this one and second one is this one. How you will understand what is the meaning of this graph? So let us take it as y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. तो मैंने आपको बताया था स्टूडेंट कि इसके मैक्सिमम 2 जीरोस हो सकते हैं. तो आप यहाँ पे देखिए कि ये जो पॉलिनोमियल है वो x वेरिएबल के अंदर है. तो आप इस इक्वेशन को देखेंगे और इस ग्राफ को देखेंगे तो आपको एक चीज देखनी है कि हाउ मेनी टाइम्स इट इज इंटरसेक्टिंग ऑन x एक्सिस. हियर यू कैन सी दैट दिस पैराबोला, हियर द पैराबोला इज द नेम ऑफ दिस शेप एंड दिस पैराबोला इज कटिंग x एक्सिस एट 2 पॉइंट्स. हियर this is one which is p and here it is second one which is q. So this parabola is intersecting x-axis at 2 different points, means these two values are solution of this equation, And similarly, if you see the second parabola here, it is intersecting on only one point, that is P dash. Means इस वाले polynomial का एक ही zero होगा and that zero will be the value which is denoted by P dash. That is the only thing for these two polynomials, linear polynomials and quadratic polynomials. Now we will discuss about the cubic polynomial. So students, now we are going to discuss about the graphical representation of cubic polynomial. So first of all, we will be writing the standard form of cubic polynomial. So standard form is what? It is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0. यहाँ पे एक स्पेशल कंडीशन होती है जहाँ पे a की वैल्यू 0 नहीं होगी, 0 के अलावा आप कुछ भी वैल्यू a की पुट कर सकते हैं। अब अगर मैं इस टाइप की इक्वेशन का ग्राफ प्लॉट करती हूँ तो उसकी एक कंडीशन होगी कि इट विल बी हैविंग मैक्सिमम 3 zeros. So 3 0 means what? Here the equation is in x variable. So we will see the x-axis only, that how many times it is intersecting on the x-axis. Let's suppose I have drawn one shape over here, that is, look at here students. You need to see the points. First one is P, second one is Q and third one is R. Here you can see that this curve, which is denoted by y is equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Here it is intersecting the x-axis at 3 different points. Points are P, Q and R. So that means this is the graphical representation of cubic polynomials. So students, the first exercise of your chapter polynomial is totally dealing with the graphical representation. Means what? In the exercise some questions are there and in that exercise you need to find out how many zeros are there of the polynomial. तो आपको क्या करना है? आपको x एक्सिस को देखना है और उस कर्व के इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट को देखना है. अगर कोई भी कर्व उस x एक्सिस को 3 टाइम्स इंटरसेक्ट करता है, दैट मीन्स इट विल बी हैविंग 3 नंबर ऑफ जीरोस. अब आपके दिमाग में एक जनरल क्वेश्चन आ सकता है कि ऐसी भी तो कोई कंडीशन हो सकती है जब वो x एक्सिस को टच ही ना करे. Yes, it is possible, because if the point is not intersecting on x-axis, then the number of zeros will be 0. That's all. Now we are going to discuss about the next topic, that is what are the zeros of the polynomial. So students, our next topic is zeros of the polynomial. कैसे पता चलेगा कि zeros of the polynomial क्या होता है? तो सबसे पहले हम लोग इसकी definition पे focus करेंगे, then we will proceed for the questions. So let's suppose you are having, let a be any value, and what you have done, you have kept the value of any variable as a and putting it into the polynomial, you are getting the value of polynomial as 0. Then the value, which value? The value a is called zeros of the polynomial. That's all students. अब यहाँ पे एक polynomial के कितने जीरो होंगे, that will depend on the type of the polynomial. How? Let's suppose I have taken one example that of quadratic polynomial. So you all know that quadratic polynomial can have maximum 2 zeros. तो उसके 2 zeros आप find कर सकते हैं. Let's take an example. P of x is equal to x plus 5. This is our example. And here we need to find the zeros of this polynomial. So let x is equal to minus 5. Now what we need to do here, according to the definition, we will put the value of the variable as minus 5. So this polynomial will become P of minus 5, and at the place of x we are going to put minus 5 and this plus 5 going to remain same. So minus 5 plus 5 will be cancelled and it will be giving you 0. So here 0 means what? Minus 5. You have kept the value of x as the minus 5 in the polynomial. So this value, which is minus 5, is called as 0 of the polynomial x plus 5. So students, what you need to do today, you need to conclude one thing, that we have studied 3 things today. First one, introduction, then zeros of the polynomial and graphical representation of the polynomial. And this topic is related to exercise 2.1 of the NCERT book. So try to do all the questions, and if you are having any doubt, you can mail us on gyanasali2020@gmail.com. And if you like the video, then don't forget to click on the button like one. And one more thing, subscribe our channel, because this is a part 1 of this chapter, and next part I am going to upload on YouTube very soon. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.